My people, God don't come out for our area. That's my first corn when I chop for the year. Which country you did? Don't chop corn this year. 1-0. 1-0. See, I made this corn. When they pray make you know, while I not settle. Cause my dinner today now fruit salad and yogurt. But as I don't boil this corn, I buy it yesterday. So I need to boil it today. Else, if I wait for tomorrow, go they lose taste. The more they take for her, the more they lose taste. I need to boil it. And as I don't boil and finish now, the aroma I don't feel resistant again. So I just need to take a bite. I know you understand. I just need to bite, The people go to say now. What do you think they do again? What do you want to make a film? This is the reason to create content. What do you want? Let's just conjure. First corn, which country you there? You don't chop corn this year. Not true. Be Nigeria, we don't want no join. We don't say Nigeria. Now be your for all those kind of things. Akaseki. Aseki, me roll aseki, akade. Today's video now come one fetch chop. Today was the first time I eat for camera for my channel. Guys, I want to know how they consume my team. This corn is sweet to die. At least, we'll finish one. Out of the two, before we talk about what you can come here. Yes, I am. I'm a bala calocone bua. A hone bua kilo of you. I just look at. Oh, my people. Manners. I never met you now. Especially I tell you drink water. Whether you believe it or not. All my glass water don't finish for this period of quarantine. I don't get one single water glass for us again. The soldiers when I get for us, women soldier, including me. Like seriously, guys, see, this one later we'll deal with my people, now guys don't show. Now lazy dog D. I don't they house again. No, I won't go when they wire me. Get us a bit. I don't come. Go by that baby. You know, today be the first time they see this beautiful face. Don't vex they can't meet me today. You know, they always be like this. But today we just need to be a pandemic. They're hungry. But today I just need to relate because I'm hungry. I tell you. So today, matter. I mean, I need to come by myself today. What you want to talk about today? That's something similar to this one. See? It's like you go like that, you rub my nervous. This one will suffer later. As a matter, they go on for granted. For today. I said, make I tell them my character. When most of my friends not like, when they complain about, say me I can't judge the matter, me I can't put them for granted. Because I help me suggest if anyone did when I need to drop. What I do so? I use water rinse my mouth. That's what I did do. The election with this, so make sure say you vote, because it's not easy. So don't say sometimes for life, everybody get the way they take grow. Everybody get the way the family upbringing. What you not believe. We don't have a person with this street well. And the family, when you say social headmaster, na day. If the papa pass, it be like headmaster. The mother pass, it be like na headmistress. If the son pass, it be like a prefect for school. Na him pass. Everywhere just serious. Everybody serious. Like say tomorrow. You know they. Me, I don't grow up for that kind of family. As they talking, I grew up for the house. My father will say that time, no man's land. When my brothers don't grow reach that stage, when me say they don't get mature body, they go my father t-shirt. They wear maybe a long sleeve or top, not be native, it will be all those English top, normal top. And they wear top of trouser. My brothers, they wear my father. Oh. So as a soldier, my father get this. No, as barak they be now. So that's how our house be like. You know if you carry this life, just put on for head and say, and wow the car. You understand? Now that way now I take grow. So as I grow up now, I say, they know they agree with me for some area. So they say make I talk about the matter. May I drop on for my channel because this is my channel. Now play with me saying about the light of the drop something like it be like saying a memory later. Case just guy carry. I will watch myself they smile. And each channel take good. So one of these characters when people don't like about me, number one, my attitude to people in the area of respect. So I don't get this attitude of saying that they feel they do amiable. Say you must greet with knee down. You go answer when nobody calls you. You want this? Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am. Auntie, you want go toilet? You say no. Auntie, you want drink water? You go say no. Auntie, you're hungry? You go say no. You want this? You call me? Yes, I call you. Come, ma'am. Sir. Okay, sir. Yes, ma'am. I don't grow like that. Before my father died, I don't need them greet my father one day. For my language, say, Abba, good morning, sir. Daddy, good morning. Matter don't end for there. You understand? Even when we see wake up, sometimes like we forget our body. We children. My father go say, you sleep well. Daddy, you come like say indirect effect greet us. Daddy, good morning, sir. So another kind when I take grow. So some people when say they know me, they see this attitude of me say because I don't get this area, I'll say just they bed down to everybody, they bed down, they yes sir, they yes man. They can say they see me so as I find this so say I don't get respect. You believe so? I like simple life. And me, I don't feel anybody tell anybody yes sir, yes man, yes man, yes sir. For my own belief, not be way to respect anybody. Somebody if you tell you say yes sir, yes man, okay sir, man, yes, oga. But behind you, you go turn to green snake. So number two of my character, when people the thing say yes, that character, you need to go market, make it not return again. Like the area of my sensitive, truthful, or thoughtful. Let I explain. So that area, it means the way they relate to people. Types of discussion, decision, playing on a normal or serious ground. Me, I don't be that person. You will be saying, for my life, I don't grow understand. Say anywhere go there. I don't feel they bring to work for them. Manipulation. One person will say this thing, as they say and so. See the color, but you won't make you be say nah. Another color. Even though people they around, they don't talk. Sometimes I feel just look the situation of things. I was just okay, I can deal with it. Sometimes I'll just say, we don't nobody talk. And me not they okay with them. I get this character, no matter who stand the talk, man, no matter who you be. I would tell you say, oh God, this one get as a bio, you don't work. Okay, for me, it don't work. So if I say this kind of thing, react like that, not be with quarrel. So other people, maybe they'll call it that, they say, we be just the take camp, but they don't talk. I say, I don't they like to come up for them, go to suffocate with the situation. I like to open my mind. You understand? I like to open my mind. And this area, people you see there around me, they don't see, they see their problem for this area of my character. Believe it, say maybe not stubbornness. And this character I carry out for my father. Oh, my father, talking about my father. Can I say may his soul rest in peace? My father, great or greatest man, when I don't come across for my life. You know they agree mago. Best man when I say when you don't cross my path, when I don't jump for life, that be my father. I see they pray till tomorrow. If cover God, if I don't go marry, you say make I marry. Papa God, I need the carbon copy of my father character. Because they see me so. So my father get this character saying, if he just look you don't know your problem. Whether you happy or you semi sad or semi happy or my father just come, hey madam, come here. Waiting be the problem. Now what happened last week? Now what happened yesterday? Now what you want to do tomorrow? You know say something wrong with you, so you know today fine. Come, tell me what happened. He go ask you and you go open up and I'll begin to deal with the issue like that. So my father, I pray, make I see man like my father marry. So that one apart. But what a peace he say, I dare sure say 100%, you know the rest in peace. Because even all these good hearts, when he get, my father fit go either meeting. You know those meetings when either they gather, they talk or judge matter or they take decision. My father fit go there. If anything they happen for there, say mango don't they enter, the way they judge the case, the way they won't do the something, say it not pure 100%, my father will just leave there, go come up for there. Maybe daddy you don't come, maybe the mood you know say as a father and I say the mood you get as it be. My father, daddy you don't come. You say don't mind those wizards, don't mind them. Imagine this one do this one, this one do this one, see what this one talk, see what they do, all of them. No? So once mango done the day, say the light, you know come, it touch light, you know shine well. My father will just carry now in back with the seat. He know the fit, no matter who sit down for that guy, he go just come up for there. So that character of that boldness to speak my mind, anything when they come up, even now as a believer, as a Christian, anything when they come up, say I just see say the way you just they talk, man. Sometimes I just feel like okay, I feel download this one, I feel handle am. But sometimes I will say, But now I go think say Nancy. Now I go think say Nancy, that one will come first now because my soul matters a lot. I go say okay, not be seen. So this thing when I talk, if I talk another person hear and another person do one, it go make this person commit sin. If I say no, I don't understand. I say no. So I must say speak my mind because my sister, Bible say me not be partaker of anybody's sin. Me, if you want just sin, just go on your own. Don't hide behind me, saying that because of me, you don't connect. I know, God forbid, May God help me. So you God not say no good. God can do what is about God. I need your grace. I need your grace to deal with whatever that need to be dealt with in my life. That one number 2. Guys, this corn, we don't go live on like that too. You get the talk, see? No, they cool. You don't go like that. So my people, they talk of number 3 now. Now we can't day. Number 3 of my character, many people not see many people not agree with. Now they realize in attitude or manners. I get this In this area, eh? I like my privacy. When I say person they like privacy, I like privacy. You must take everything away from me. There are 3 things you know if you take away from me, I not go allow you. Number 1, my happiness. 2, maybe my look. My look. 3, my privacy. You understand? So when they talk about look, I should just say me. So even though some people they see me like great grandmother, since I know they make up again, they wear trousers. I too love my look, eh? Especially this my hair. When God they talk and say hair, now glory of woman. Now my whole particular hair, now God mean. Now I'm not sure say another person you. So I like my privacy. Person go say they come my house, and you don't tell me say you they come. Just get that man say you press my bell. I feel not open door for you. Except that person really know himself. Say yes. You know the type of person when he go knock for my door for 3 o'clock midnight anytime if you open door. So if you don't trust yourself, reach that. Say our relationship don't soon reach like that. You feel the bounce on me anytime, any day. But if you know your relationship don't soon reach like that, now if you try yourself, now 0 over 100. I remember years ago when I never meet Christ and I still do this boyfriend and girlfriend thing. One day my boyfriend come, he say, he just come press my bed. He say he dey under my house. And I said, okay, I will invite you. But I said rain for that day. Now plan, now open door. Now say you take work and you can't go. And another thing, you see them my house, say you come visit me. I know the person is a bit talk. When they say the person they gossip, people they. No matter what thing happen, they get so no matter where they who they with, they must always see something to talk about. I don't be that kind of person. You understand? So you feel you come greet me now. We just sit down, rub my small. I say okay, nothing important today. No, to talk about again. If you be man, I will say let's go out. I will find way to just engage with you. But if you be woman, I will just say, my sister, we will go like that. I say, we will go like that. But you tell me say, we will go like that for what now? I can't sleep. You get a crazy friend where you go get. I will say okay, for me, I won't go relax. I feel just you say, free day there, food day there, this one day there. I'll just go inside my bedroom. I will just hold my phone or the on television. I could just relax. You understand? And you also sit down and watch television, watch program, all those things. You understand? So I be that kind of person. I just live my life very simple. Maybe you see you dey my house, you dey expect say as you dey around, the activity when you dey my house will just change totally. You understand? Maybe I don't drink alcohol. You expect to carry alcohol with you to take off. Maybe as it be now, I know they watch worldly movie. Maybe you be just they play P Square, Azonto, Awulona, that music, all those things. So I don't they play all this music. It should be person when we say in faith, the level of your faith, you see they enjoy all those things, and you come pay me visit. So you expect me because you there around, make I just change my lifestyle at that moment. I not go free. I go play Christian music. I go watch Christian movie. So something like that, you understand? So even last week somebody come greet me. After children don't they watch children television for so long, I say no, it don't do. So I put preaching, and later I put Christian song. The person was like, so if person can't greet you now, what can you just play? Now I say, what do you want me to play now? What do you want me to play? They pay me o gaga. What they obey my law if not the matter go hard. So for this aspect, for this area, some people not see agreeing with me. Say he say you, they despise person. You know they look person rich person. You understand? My brother, my sister, they look into the matter. So even some time ago, say I live among of other people. Say you dey on that social, so you need to know this situation. We say you need to live with other people. Thank God say I don't already know Christ that time. You can't get the way of say at the feet they take things. So I almost it's not that easy for me. Plus when we say I don't fit go outside, come outside, or do what I want do. Me adult, you be like say you don't fit just live your life without rule. I don't dey fit. I just thank God that side before God give me this beautiful house. I thank God say that that life it don't over. I don't dey fit. Like my privacy, if I need them, and they do everything possible. Say nobody go just interrupt her. You understand? So now what I come to notice, Nigerians, they carry tradition for head like tomorrow not day. They do like say may they be gods for where everybody they when they around them. You understand? They too like them. They too like them. They just be gods. They just they worship them. You go just they, you know. They too. Number 4. See when people around me not say like. So if you come visit me from my own house, no matter how long you want to stay, some people they get this character say because it's there around, the activities of the house will just change. Me, I don't get that character. If they come my house, holiday, and they stay for 1 day, they stay for 2 days for eternity. The red assure say your diet, like food, when you want chop this kind of period, it go change. It should be best to say you like to swallow every day. For my house, I feel say 1 week without not swallow. Even more than. If you person me say you like to eat meat, if you they eat, your food will just the meat and will take heap. You be like say na mountain. I'm not doing to them. You understand? So like me now, this corner. Now night I tell the film so. Just time they talk. Now every day so. Possible say na my dinner. Now I just dey eat so. So if I see get visitor around, I like by God's grace. By God's grace, they like to eat healthy food. Like this evening now, before this come, tempt me to bite. Now salad, fruit, and 1 yogurt with a scoop of honey. Now be one eat for my dinner. You understand? So if I get visitor for house, now this kind of thing, if I say prepare for me, I'll just prepare for everybody. You get one of my friends, she go watch this video now. If you want to watch this video, you know yourself. If she come my house, if I bring dinner or breakfast or lunch, especially dinner or lunch, me say now the time is supposed to eat. The time is supposed to eat heavy food. Sometimes if I bring some dinner on table, wait be this. For your mind and food, I look like picking for your face. I look like picking for your eye. So for your mind now, so this one are food I said na food now. This food they heading well. I want to read the BCD. This food it contain this, it contain that. I say who ask you? Soup not dey this out. If they want this video, you know yourself. So you go look me like. So you just look me that this kind of food that you won't give me for for lunch or for dinner. I would say, come see Becky, it's very open. Just off you enter there, do whatever that pleases you. You understand? So if they expect me say you dey around for holiday and activities for my house, you go just change totally. And yeah, go manage my life with me the way it be. So in this, people they believe say whether I not they carry enough or whether I not even want it from under my house. People still get problem with me for this area. Chai, only me one. I take water. Hey, this one serious. If I need to change this particular one, I pray for God to help me. I need to change for this particular one. The way I tell they respond my phone, I not be phone friend at all. I don't be friend phone. They call on handset. My own rest set. The rest. So don't be say I know they carry my phone for hand though. Although say sometimes I just forget them. But if I carry them for hand, now where they go? Now they go. Don't say I want to join enter go. They find waiting and not keep. I will just go there. When they feel say every day, every time they check message, if they check email, if they check WhatsApp group when you did. I don't know why. Even if I did any WhatsApp group, you realize I don't did there. And they silent. Why? How? Let's say one person go write now. Maybe won't give information, you just want to say something, fine. So other people, they will carry on the talk, you know. So what is they call the talk? Don't be say you need to hear them or you need to hear them. Like person go write something, another person go say, thank you for hearing, thank you, say you remember to do this thing. Ah, okay, this thing next week that's what I want to do. Okay, this one, you know, the information already come. But some people will just like carry on the discussion. See the time will be like saying that they enjoy themselves with they enjoy themselves the chat. Me, if you find me for that, you not go see me. I go only write. That is, you never spend after 3 days. I go write if I didn't get question or something to just bring on the table. And this area, I don't know what will be the problem. I don't like to the right. Whether not because I don't to go school like that, I don't know because people when you go school, they are addicted to the right. But one of my friends, they not let her write. You go the right, me go the same voice. She go the right, me go the same voice message. Because I prefer to just send a voice record or voice message for WhatsApp. I'll just send her. But you don't take of typing, even if waiting I won't write, I feel right and complete. But I just prefer either talk or send voice message. I don't easily they write. I don't know why. I don't know why. You know. So for phone, for that area, me myself, I give myself this tone. Not be this one, not be this one, but like this. If you dey close to me, you never complain of the way I take to handle my phone. Let me say you see far. Everybody when you dey close to me, they complain. You know the big phone, the handset, it be this and that, blah blah blah. I don't know. I believe say I feel live complete 1 week, even this time now. Provided my children they inside door, my eye they read them. I feel live for 1 week, even more than without handset. Number 6. Hey. The way I take the handle serious issue. Hey. I need to buy corn for this matter. This corn not comes with that again. No, the cool. 6. The way I take the respond to serious issue. If you be the kind of person when you go expect me, anything when it happen, I just carry. It don't go work. I don't the face. It's not the face just happen now. That thing is serious. Guys, no verse. I just need to keep myself busy. Something just happen now. That thing is serious. I know. Another person just come. Hey, how? Oh, I'll just look and say. Now this way they talk so. Carry on. I could take like in fact life simple for me. When they tell person they live simple life, count me in. And that character, even though people don't like him, people will say, I know they look something reach anything. I will not get health problem. Because since I see this girl so I don't experience it. The good, the bad, the worst, and ugly. Now not by God's grace, the good one even they come. So this character, other people don't even like him. I see most of my character as perfect because it get way they take they help me. I don't sabi just I don't feel they worry myself. Even though I won't think, get what would think by myself. I get what I'll take cut him. Say waiting and I saw the matter be. It don't happen. Find the situation, you know, the solution. So if you want to take decision, do this one. I feel just the laugh. I just don't like this kind of character. For me. The last but not the least. Hey. Number 7 character. What people don't like about me. Even that motor or anything, but this one, oh God, not too old. This one, nobody can away from me. Not even with them when you say because if I let you on your me. when you're swimming, you understand? When the job bump picky, not be wish. So you don't fit there around you, make you dey boring. If you carry one kind of serious case, just call now. The way I'll take talk about it, and this will make you dey worry. You know listen, so you know listen, so you go be this and that. You suppose know this and that. As I talk and they laugh, then you go like, why you dey laugh as they talk? Okay, why you dey laugh? Aspect of me, it not feel reduced, not even 1%. And if you see me and that laugh, laughing, na very serious one. How? If I dey vex, I dey laugh. If I dey play, I dey laugh. You understand? So this laugh, sometimes don't they make me quit, they get hungry. Because what you will talk, I feel you out of lie, out of laugh, just say reply you, we talk and just open my mind. Because I dey open mind. When I say person, they open mind. I dey open minded. I not a big keep secret or keep hunger. If hungers come, I still get my way to handle and you understand. So laugh they help me, they feel they tolerate person. If you just see something just happen and I will just laugh, just use another word. You know, all those kinds of reply you, all those things. Maybe I say the thing it just come up from my mind. And I dey shy where I dey shy. I think they use this laugh thing, they cover up. Yeah. And anytime they see say me, I not laugh again. You will not say yes. If I stop to the laugh, you will not say yes. I don't vex. I dey bitter. Me, I dey open-minded. But if I don't restrict myself, you know say yes. I don't dey control. Maybe I don't want to make a get problem with you. Maybe I don't see the type of person when you be say, we feel easily just crack. Like I can't restrict myself. So if I dey around you, I get the way I can't position myself, position you. So everybody will just dey in no lay. In one or two ways, it don't help me because I be person maybe say, as I be take action, as I be take decision, I get that man character. When I say man character, in fact, I'm my character guy because I miss of manner for grow. So what thing they do and they load, what thing they turn and they do, the way they do their thing, what they think, the way we take grow. My father bring up like all of us will be soldier. You feel do anything, you feel talk, provided you don't offend anybody. Anything your mind, not look anybody face, talk and make be truth. You understand? So that boldness there in everybody for my family. So generally, I like my character. Anybody when you don't need too much, you know they disappointed. Now when you need too much, now you they disappointed. This part of me, if anywhere they will say, see me, say God, make God work on it. If anywhere they go want your approach, like nothing God don't feel do. If God don't break me rich like this, anything need to be break, anything that need to be broken, make God see break and bet me. I like my character. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy it. Guys,